Hello class, I'm creating this video to help answer a question from one of the practice review exams. Let's see if I can pull the problem into play here. Looks like this is the golf ball problem, right? So let's say I have a bag of golf balls and I want to make sure that the average diameter is 1.68 inches for all my golf balls, right? So we want to test the claim that most of the balls fall within this range, somewhere around 1.68 inches, using a 0.05 level of significance. All right, so if I click on the table, these are all of the different diameters for my golf balls. So it looks like some are over 1.68, some are under 1.68. I copy this data into StatCrunch. Here's my data, and I guess first I have to think about the values I'm going to use for my hypothesis test. So we're going to be testing a mean, and I want to know my null hypothesis would be that my mean equals 1.68, and 1.68, and the alternative hypothesis would be that it doesn't equal 1.68. Okay. Right, the 1.68 came from up here. Now we want to find the test statistic. So I've already pasted my data into StatCrunch. I press stat, tstats, one sample with data. My data is stored under this diameter column. And let's see if we have a hypothesis test button. We do. So the null is that it's equal to 1.68. The alternative is that it's not equal to 1.68. I press compute. Here's my t-stat to 3 decimal places. This one says round to 2 decimal places, so I actually can just write 0.75. And then the p-value also comes from this table, and that was 3 decimal places. I enter that here. And since my p-value is greater than my level of significance, we do not reject the null hypothesis. Okay, so it looks like letter A and B are my do not reject. So we do not reject because there's not sufficient evidence to conclude that the golf balls do not conform, right? There's just not enough evidence to say basically that the golf balls are not equal to 1.68 inches in diameter. So I'm going to select option A, and I check my answer, and I get 100%, and that's it. We're done. I hope that helps. Have a great day.